Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error 1001. First, check if the Roblox servers are down. Open your browser and go to Google. Type Roblox server status. Open any trusted status website and look at the current reports. If the servers are down, you only need to wait until Roblox fixes the problem. If the servers are fine, continue to the next step. Now clear the Roblox cache. Open the Run box by pressing the Windows key and R on your keyboard. In the box, type %local app data % and press Enter. A folder will open. Find the Roblox folder. Open it and look for the cache folder. Delete everything inside this folder. This will not remove your Roblox installation. It only removes temporary files that may be causing the error. When you are done, close the window and try launching Roblox again. If the error is still there, your antivirus software may be blocking Roblox. Open your antivirus program. Turn off real-time protection for a moment. Do not worry, we will turn it back on later. After turning it off, try opening Roblox again. If Roblox works now, you need to add Roblox as an exception inside your antivirus settings. If nothing has worked so far, the last step is to reinstall Roblox. Download the installer and install Roblox again. After reinstalling, try to open any game and see if the error is gone. These are the steps you can try to fix the Roblox Error 1001. Thanks for watching.